What a shot. A little bit fuller from Andre Berger. And you talked about Lunchable. Well, this will be 4 wides. And that has come about because he's pushed this back in.
The ball flew into the attack. What I liked about ball for yesterday is drive it into the hip. Beautiful shot. Poffel tried to follow him, and Gomez just clipped it away from boundary. He's just used the pace and he's used the angle. Now he's tried to follow him there as well. That's not a bad option. Left hip. Well, that's being driven out towards mid-wicket, who didn't pick it up. There'll be another boundary. And I think he'll get quicker if he can do that. This has gone a long way in the air and out of the park as well. How he's got it that fine is because it's just helped it on its way. This is a big over for Cape Town. 15 runs. For 11 in his first. Well, there's a chance of a run out is a run out. I think once the ball had hit the stumps, I think Gurbaz was right to run because the bowler couldn't get. Gurbaz straight back at the stumps. The problem was Joao was watching the ball and trying to get his ground. He was ball watching. Only 2 fielders still allowed out of the circle. That's better. That's better. He gets all of this and goes over the... At the moment over Lewis. Thankfully, I know the glasses can be replaced, no one got injured. What you don't want to do is up and over, but I don't think he gets enough of it, doesn't, picks out deep cover, simple catch, he's trying to go over extra cover. I think that's the one that he's used there. Maposa, who is the young find for the emerging player, takes a good catch. 25 for Ramadan, very young. Richard Ngaraba. That's it. Tried to hit it over, long gone, and all he did was pick out Jongwe. Yeah, he's tried to go early, but it's quick and flat. He hasn't managed to get the trajectory that he wanted because it was that flat. Luke Jongwe, the fielder, at long on, takes a comfortable catch. And left armour is on. He'll have his first ball of the series. This one's hit out, and that's a 6. Rajapaksa, he's been a bit quiet. Yourself just a bit of space on the crease, again that foot. Yeah, not the best start for Irfan. 13, and he's only halfway so far. This has gone big. Has it gone long? Oh dear, another collision almost. It looked like it's so dangerous, isn't he, when he gets going? Oh, it's out. You miss and I hit. It's exactly all around it. Rajapaksa's innings of 24, it was brief. He hit a couple of good man with his change-ups, was very, very good, wasn't he? Wow, how is that for a cricket shot? On the back foot, over cover, and he finds the boundary. Saw Tommy Curran. This one again, 2 straight from Maposa, and Tom Curran's not going to miss out there. Uses the pace. And he finds the gap past short. You know he's gone. How quick is this young man across the turf? Donovan Ferreira, and he's got a good arm. It's a great pickup by Robin Utapa. And he's short by some way. Brilliant handwork from Robin Utapa. And there's confirmation. OUT. He's out. He's gone. He has to make way. Tom Curran. Now this is hit hard by the skipper. Didn't get all of it, I don't think, but of Chris Mpofu is back on. And he bowls this one in the slot, and this gets what it deserved, really. Muramani has been excellent since he's come in. A little cameo busier. That looks close, and that is out. He got his wishes, not the first time, but the second time. It's been an excellent comeback. Went for 6 off the first ball. Zim t10. No, Chris, that's not where you want to bowl, big man. Short fine leg up. That is, help yourself. At this level, Muramani, he's been very good, hasn't he? But that was a gift. Yeah, absolutely. Short, angling down the leg side. Your short 45 up in the circle. That's a free, basically. It's got enough bat on it. And that has flown across the boundary rope here for 6. How's this for a little innings? Muramani, 19 of 7. Just when the teams needed a bit of momentum to close out this innings. Last ball's hit out. They're going to push hard for 2. And again, very strong arm, and I think he's going to be thrown short. They're going to look well for 7.
Another 10 points.
Wasn't Macron.
No, that's 6 points. That is 6 points all the way. Fletcher, that could be up there, threatening 104.
Bring it back.
Gone on the roof and disappeared into the sunset here.
He's thinking about preventing boundaries.